Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the bullish flag pattern. Bitcoin has created a very nice, near perfect as far as shape goes, bullish flag pattern. And I want to talk a little bit about how to trade this pattern, what the minimum target is, and what this would entail in alignment with the Elliott wave theory that we so well know. This is something that could be potentially quite explosive for our portfolios, adding a lot of value into our accounts and maybe recovering on some of the losses. If you've been in Bitcoin through this whole area right here, this move may help you recover on some of the losses through the 2018 bear market. So I'm super excited to share with you what I have to share today. Let's get right into the video. A bullish flag pattern is when the market creates a flag pull like such, and then there's a channel, a downward pointing channel that's created. After that downward pointing channel is created, you get a bounce down, or a move down, a bounce up, another move down in the market, a bounce up. Now, the definition of a bullish flag pattern states that it has to have a flag pull and a downward pointing channel, and then you have to get a bullish break out of the resistance of that channel. So this top line that we've drawn has to have a bullish breakout. What we're looking for in this specific chart is that bullish breakout on Bitcoin, because we haven't had it yet. But it really doesn't matter how many moves there are in the channel. You can have it touch the channel 10 times. You could have it touch the channel 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. As long as you get that breakout of the resistance, it moves the length of the pull. So this right here is your flag pull, and from where the move starts to where the channel starts to be created, you actually get a full move once the breakout occurs, the same length as the bullish flag pattern. So that's the pattern in general. It's very useful. It's a very common Forex pattern. Now let's look at how it aligns with the chart that we see in Bitcoin today. So here is 3,000 per coin. Here is 14,000, or just shy of 14,000 per coin. So this is our flag pull. And this right here is our downward pointing channel. And as you can see, when we draw this channel, it's quite geometrical. It's quite even. The resistance is very straight and the bottom is very straight. That's something you do want. I would like to note that although we had a bull wick around 6,700 and it tested this major support level, we could easily test the bottom of this channel one more time, going a little bit deeper into the support level, testing maybe this area here or these wicks over here. And the reason I wanted to say that is if prices do go ahead and drop to 6,000 or just below 6,000 again, you don't panic sell right at the bottom of this major support line that it's created. This right here would create a minimum target. We can take this line right here, we click on the line and we press clone, and that will clone the length of our flag pull. And we can put it at the point which we're watching for a breakout. So that gives you the minimum target. Now the minimum target of this flag pull is actually just above this resistance level that we saw in the past at around 17 to 18,000 per coin. Now if this happens, if we get the breakout of the bullish flag pattern, this is actually a huge 1 and 2 wave. So this move, I don't think that it would stop by any means at the 18,000 level, but that's the minimum target. Often what you see in trading patterns is you get overextension, where the market gets excited, you reach the target, and then there's so much momentum left in the market that it overextends. And with Elliott wave theory, the 3 wave is usually quite a bit bigger than the 1 and the 2 wave. So for us to get to 17,000, 18,000, yes, very likely, very probable if we get the breakout of this channel. But really, we could go quite a bit higher than that in a 3 wave here as the momentum builds up in the market before we see a correction like we saw right here from 14,000 down to the levels that we're seeing currently. So that's something I want you guys to keep in mind, because if we start to get up above these major resistance levels, there's going to be a lot of momentum in the market. And if we drop one more time, it's going to provide a good buy opportunity at these major support levels. So either way, you guys, this bullish flag pattern is creating an awesome structure for the market, really supporting the idea that 2020 will be a profitable year for the people inside of Bitcoin and probably across the board when it comes to cryptos. And it also supports the Elliott wave theory that we've been watching of this being a 1 and a 2 wave. The bullish flag pull right here is showing that the 3 wave is coming, and it could easily extend even the minimum target of our 3 wave. So that's my little update on Bitcoin for you guys today. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the Discord chat in the description box below. We've got new members in there every single day. Comment if you have any questions at all, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. As always, stay profitable out there.